Hello, fellow yogis, it's Genene. Have you ever wondered how to sneak in a little yoga into your busy day? Picture this: finding your zen while waiting in line at the grocery store, or striking a pose while you wait for your coffee to brew. Easy yoga poses that you can do anytime, anywhere. Welcome to my new Yoga on the Go series, where we show you how you can incorporate yoga poses into your daily activities to promote relaxation and mindfulness. You'll be amazed at how these simple poses can elevate your day. Let's face it, our schedules can get pretty hectic, leaving little time for self-care practices such as yoga. But fear not, we're here to show you how your yoga does not have to be time-consuming. With these versatile poses, you can practice mindfulness while on the go, whether you're traveling, scrolling through your phone, or waiting in the car. Now let's try our versatile pose of the day. Modified tree pose, Vrksasana. Whether you're waiting for your turn at the coffee shop, at the airport, waiting for your flight, this pose can be easily adapted. Let's all come up to standing. Feet parallel to start, and then place the sole of your right foot to either the left inner ankle, calf, or maybe inner thigh, just staying away from the inner knee. And if you're wearing heels or some tight-fitting clothes, probably you're going to place your foot closer to the ankle and the knees going out to the side as best it can. And then join your hands together, connect your hands with your heart, finding balance. Find one spot in front of you that is not moving. Focus all of your attention on it. And feel the energy of tree, allowing yourself to sway as if there's a gentle breeze, not trying to be stiff when you're balancing. It's not about not moving at all, it's about staying balanced. Are you breathing in and out through your nose? Are you noticing the ease of your breath? Now release your hands, release your foot. Let's come to the other side, letting go of the judgments that might bubble up about this side. And know this is new. You've never done this at this moment in your life. So place your left foot to the inside of the right leg, wherever you would like today, and then join your hands together. Feeling that steadiness of tree, but also how the tree allows the wind to blow the leaves, the branches. Allowing yourself to be challenged, to letting it be okay to step out of a balance, because it's a practice, it's not a perfect. You want to challenge yourself to find your edge. Release your hands down, come into Tadasana, mountain pose, feet underneath hip bones, pointing straight ahead, and balancing on both feet now, staring straight ahead, shoulders back. You're projecting the energy of a mountain. Feel the steadiness there and feel where you have more of a sense of balance now, mentally, physically. Incorporating these easy yoga poses into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being, from promoting relaxation to enhanced flexibility. These simple practices can make a world of difference in how you feel, both mentally and physically. Remember, a little yoga goes a long way. I challenge you to try out the yoga poses in our Yoga on the Go series in your own daily activities and share your experiences with the rest of us in the comments below. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more yoga tips and tricks. Until next time, namaste.